makasleep early. Hindi ka pwede makasleep early kasi the time differences, yun ang ano ninyo, yung balakid. Kasi when your someone wakes up, you're also sleeping. When he is sleeping, you are wake up. So that's it. That's it talaga. Ayan, Singapore. So remember, money. Kung pupunta sa Pilipinas. That's reality, guys. Reality sucks, or reality is hurtful, no? But sometimes, yun talaga yun. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. The kiss, it's because kailangan talaga. Kaya nga, that's why they said Filipino are expensive. Kasi nga, if they're traveling, mahal, of course. But for them, hindi yan mahal. Carry lang sa mga carry lang nila yung going to Philippines. It is expensive, but because sabi nga, it's worth it. Yung worth it ba? So be sure to find a good Filipina that is worth it for you, that is good for you. So ganoon yan. Maybe if you find that one, a good Filipina that is a good woman for you, that match in your preferences, but it doesn't match in your preferences, then don't. There's a lot fish in the sea. Sabi nga, don't fall for mga maling akala. Yung mga maling akala ba? So, ayan. 10 minutes. Thank you, may ay. Buti na lang, guys. So, it's nice na magla-live talaga. The next thing here in Singapore is the data. The data is very, malakas ang signal. In the Philippines, if your data is, aabot na ng 4 hours, nawawala na ang effect. So, yun ang the problem. So, and then to the OFW who is traveling like for good, walang dito sa Singapore. There's no bonus, walang long service in Singapore. So walang makukuha sa helper. So yun, mag-isip-isip na, wag nang magtagal-tagal kasi useless din. Magtagal-tagal ka, wala ka rin makukuha. So yan, importante yun eh. They said the important is their service. Yes, your service is important if you are appreciated. Appreciated is very important, guys. So even in a relationship, kailangan you have to appreciate your partner. Hello, AD Russell, good morning. So you have to appreciate your partner. Even in the work also, appreciate all and be thankful for it. Kasi nga, that's the kindness there. So, pag hindi tayo sanay to be, if some people are not used to appreciate people, then you have to practice it. Practice it in yourself. So that is why meeting lots of people in our life is very helpful. Kasi nga, if we are the kind of person now, we know that we are thankful, but we don't voice out, because the appreciated is like sometimes we will do it in an act, or we do something, an action. Sometimes we will do it in a verbal. So we will say, appreciated. So ganoon yun. So guys, my God, 15 minutes. Yan.